have not done one of these in a while, but I'm pretty stoked for this one. Today we're unboxing the 14-inch MacBook Pro from 2021. Just got announced a couple months ago, I think. I put in an order a week late. I'm filming this November 30th, so this literally came the last day of November. I think I ordered it sometime, yeah, I guess within a week of the announcement, but I did get this custom ordered. So this does have the M1 Max chip in it, has 64 gigs of RAM, 8 terabytes of SSD storage. This is going to be the new sort of creator powerhouse for me. I think I'm gonna write my book on it. I think that's what I'm gonna do with all this power. I am writing a book, so the book will be written on here. Probably won't see it in 2022. I don't know, maybe second half of 2022, but more likely 23. But this is gonna be the machine for photography, video editing, everything. So let's get this unboxed. These have gotten so much nicer to unbox. You don't, I think, need a knife anymore. You can just pull this. Comes off pretty cleanly. Gets the little plastic bits off there. Trash. It's gone. Oh, the reveal. Here it goes. Fantastic. That's great. Oh, gotta dig that. Yeah, that feels nice and recycled, actually. That's recycled stuff right there. Not bad. Moving right into it. Standard, I guess, to be expected packaging. There's this little pull tab. You can get the MacBook Pro up and out. It definitely is heavier, definitely is bigger. I ended up going with the 14-inch over the 16. I don't think I've ever really seriously had a 15-inch laptop. I think I had it once. Very quickly offloaded that to my wife. I've mostly been a 13-inch kind of guy, and so the 14 was kind of just barely pushing the maximum of what I would do. This just shipped to me. It's like freezing outside, so this is like super cold. I'm gonna set this down for a hot second. Maybe I'll just put it down right there. How about that? Boom. Yeah, I like the smaller form factor, even though I got this maxed out and I could have gotten the 16-inch. Didn't make sense. I do plan on doing some traveling next year. Hopefully going back to Mexico, maybe even a few other spots. I would love to get down to El Salvador, Bitcoin City. See what that's looking like. What is this? What am I looking at? Is this MagSafe? This is sick. Okay. MagSafe braided cable. This is gonna look trashed in like 6 months, I feel like. But I guess it's cool that it's not connected to the brick. So that's kind of rad. But yeah, every time I see something like this, I'm like, you know, for the pros, give me black cables. I ordered the silver body. I do like the silver body look, or like the aluminum, just like the anodized aluminum, whatever treatment they do on it. I do like that look, but oh, this is nice. There's no glue here anymore. I'm noticing a whole bunch of things. This is actually really cool. These paper flaps fit in on themselves. These used to have glue on them, if I'm remembering correctly, but now there's no glue. That's actually pretty well done. I'm very impressed by that. Yeah, see? Look at this. Let me see if I can get that to focus on there. If I can. Like, watch me pull this tab. It just releases. That's actually pretty dope. That's well done. Can I get it out of here the rest of the way without destroying the cable? Hopefully the braided cable is a little bit more, hopefully it's a little more resilient than the old, like, I don't know, I guess they were like a rubbery kind of texture. Hopefully it's more resilient, but we won't know for a few more months, I guess. Put that over there. This looks like a 2-meter cable, I think so. Yeah, that's pretty nice actually. The tough thing is I think the fast charging stuff only happens over MagSafe. So I'm thinking when I'm at my desk, do I need to have it plugged in on MagSafe if I'm connected to a monitor? Interesting, someone just needed to show up with a snowplow. That's cute. Oh, we're gonna park right outside my office window. That was wild, like a van with a snowplow. Like a van and then a big truck in front of it with a snowplow. I just decided to park. You can probably still hear it, but they're, it looks like they're moving on. Wild. Yeah, I wish this was all black. If I buy the Pro things, give me all black stuff, please. It just shows wear, I think, less when it comes to these cables, but got a lot of thoughts on those. Okay, what is in here? Let's see. When it comes to the documents, let's see, a MacBook Pro. Oh, okay, black stickers, but no No black cables. It's kind of a letdown. Is this just like a hard cardboard piece behind it? I think so. I don't think there's like, that's weird. It feels like this should have more in here, but I guess this is it. Strange. Power brick, kind of covered in this sort of like, almost looks like parchment paper, you know? $96 watts. I know the 16-inch I think has like 140 watts, something crazy, over 100 watts. I never thought, let's see, I'm trying to remember, the old 14-inch iBook I think had a 40 something watt charger, maybe it was 60. I know the MacBooks had a 60 watt charger for the longest time, like the 13-inch ones, MacBook Pro, 96 watts to a 14-inch laptop. That's pretty nuts. That's pretty wild. Let's get this guy off of here. And that's pretty nice. That debossed MacBook Pro down there at the bottom. Looking good. Alright, I'm gonna move this over here. Move this off to the side. Focus on this. Like I said, I went with the silver, what they're calling silver. It's just really like, it's aluminum. It looks like a soda can, I guess. Oh, that's interesting. They went with the black apple there on top. Foot pads are pretty fat boys. They're thick boys. Cooling vents look a little bit bigger than the last one. Actually, I have the laptop that this is replacing. Part of the reason I was able to even get this is because I'm trading in this old MacBook Pro. But you see there versus here, oh yeah, there's a difference there. There's definitely a difference there. Not much though, not as much as I thought it would be. It's not like the old titanium book, the Ti-Book, you know? It does feel smaller than like the 15-inch MacBook Pros from like 2006 to like 2008, if you guys remember those. Did make a video talking about how I wish they had put MagSafe on the same side as the HDMI port, thinking if I wanted to just plug in one port and then have a dongle come off of it with USB-C, I wanted to do this with no dongles. I wanted to have like the fast charging power and the HDMI port all on one side, so I could kind of stand it up in like the book arc that 12 South makes. Actually, I wonder if I can find actually where that is. And then that way I could just kind of have all that tucked off to the back, no dongles required, but I think I am going to use this thing open on the desk. Let's see, let's get this thing wide open right now. Oh cool, there's a little, oh, as soon as I opened it, turned right on. But I think I will use this keyboard. This keyboard looks a lot nicer than the old one. Power button is up here with Touch ID, which is kind of nice, especially if you're like unlocking stuff for like passwords and whatever. It's nice to just be able to tap. I think you can get the external keyboard that has that now, but I don't know if I'm all about it yet. Immediately what I'm noticing here is...
To use English as the main language,
whoa, this
press
is getting...
the return key.
This is getting... Yeah, this keyboard feels a lot better. Yeah, the keyboard feels great. The trackpad's definitely smaller, but usually when I'm at my desk, or actually when I'm doing anything, I have my MX Master that I use, so... See, I didn't want the dongle life. Because what's gonna happen is I'm gonna end up setting this up right here. I have my external monitor that's like swung out over that way. And I'm gonna end up just having to just have cables coming off of both sides, which I'm not super stoked about. I kinda just wanted like dedicated power with MagSafe, dedicated HDMI on one side. So then I wouldn't have to have stuff over here. You know, I don't know, I think it's a big whiff. I think it's a big miss. All right, I need to get started on setting this up. These were my first impressions, sort of first look at it. Once I get this thing set up, I'll make another video kind of updating all y'all about where I think this is at and how it's working out for me, but hopefully, I'm hoping this can tear through some of the footage, because I still have vlog footage from Mexico City that I haven't put up because turning proxies out for it and trying to edit that on a timeline was impossible. I think I still have vlog footage going back to my first glacier trip this year, which was in June with Cody. That still hasn't even been edited because it's just been hard to do that on the old 2018 MacBook Pro. So hopefully this thing is enough juice in the tank to get it done. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. My name is Stephen Foster. Subscribe to this channel if you have yet to. I'm honored by all y'all who already have. Seriously, thank you so much. It's been such a fun ride this year in 2021, but I know it's only going to be getting more fun here in the next year and the years to come. So thank you for all of you who have been here, whether you just joined or been here for a year. Appreciate it. Be kind both in life and in the comments below, and like this video to send good vibes across the internet. We'll do it again soon. Later.